Stellantis is now full speed ahead with all the electric vehicles, starting with the new Jeep Avenger, the first pure EV Jeep. We are very excited. The product is awesome.
What if I told you the iconic Jeep brand, once a symbol of rugged American adventure, was facing one of its toughest battles yet? With sales plunging, leadership in disarray, and competitors closing in, Jeep's path forward has never looked more uncertain. How did things unravel so quickly? And can Jeep still reclaim its legendary status? Stay with us as we break down the key challenges threatening this automotive giant and reveal the bold moves that could either spark a comeback or seal its fate. Sales decline and inventory surplus.
Q3 sales in the United States down 20%. Why? A glut of vehicles, because in the first half of this year, Carlos Tavares, and he's even said, look, I was arrogant keeping our prices high.
In 2024, Jeep's U.S. sales dropped by 9% compared to the previous year, with total units sold falling from 642,924 in 2023 to 587,725 in 2024. The drop wasn't isolated to one model. It affected Jeep's most popular vehicles. The Jeep Gladiator saw a dramatic decline, with sales plummeting by 21%. This slump was so severe that Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, announced layoffs of 1,100 workers at the Toledo South plant. Even iconic models like the Jeep Wrangler and Grand Cherokee weren't immune, suffering sales decreases of 3% and 12% respectively. But it's not just about sales. It's also about inventory. Dealerships across the country are grappling with an oversupply of unsold vehicles. This surplus has led to steep discounts aimed at enticing buyers, but the sheer volume of excess stock has strained dealer operations and weakened Jeep's brand value. Pricing strategy misalignment.
I would recommend to the European political leaders to be less dogmatic, more pragmatic, and think middle class. It's important that they think about the cost of living of middle classes, and certainly right now the middle classes will have a hard time to access to the pure EVs in the near future, so it's time.
One major factor contributing to Jeep's struggles is its pricing strategy. In recent years, Stellantis attempted to reposition Jeep as a luxury brand, leading to elevated price points that alienated its traditional customer base. For example, the base model Jeep Gladiator starts at over $55,000, with premium trims approaching $70,000. Similarly, the Grand Wagoneer, marketed as a luxury SUV, comes with a price tag of $100,000. The result? A disconnect between Jeep's rugged utilitarian roots and its current pricing. Buyers looking for luxury vehicles often gravitate toward established premium brands, while Jeep's loyal fan base is being priced out of the market. Leadership turmoil.
The CEO of Stellantis, Carlos Tavares, has resigned. He's been under fire recently over the company's disappointing sales and disagreements he had with the company's board of directors.
The company's strategic missteps culminated in the abrupt resignation of Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares in December 2024. Tavares' departure came amid a period of declining U.S. sales and internal conflict over the company's direction. An interim executive committee, led by Chairman John Elkann, is currently overseeing operations until a new CEO is appointed, expected in the first half of 2025. The incoming leader will face immense pressure to stabilize Jeep's North American operations and chart a path forward. Workforce uncertainty.
Breaking news, more than 1,000 Stellantis workers will lose their jobs in the coming weeks.
These layoffs just announced this afternoon and come as the auto company moves to a one shift for the JT Gladiator line.
The impact of Jeep's struggles extends beyond sales and leadership. It's affecting the workforce. In November 2024, Stellantis announced the layoffs of 1,100 employees at the Toledo South plant, which manufactures the Gladiator. However, just 3 weeks later, Stellantis reversed the layoffs following Tavares' resignation. This sudden reversal signals a reassessment of the company's strategy, but it has also added to the uncertainty faced by employees who are caught in the middle of Jeep's ongoing upheaval. rising competitive pressures.
With shares of Stellantis just hammered this year, I think, down 45, 48%, something like that, compared to General Motors and Ford.
Jeep's market share has been steadily eroded by fierce competition from rival automakers who have capitalized on its missteps. The Ford Bronco has been a massive success, thanks to its combination of rugged capability and modern amenities at a starting price of under $35,000. Meanwhile, the Toyota 4Runner continues to attract buyers with its legendary reliability and off-road performance, offering a balance of function and value. These competitors have successfully tapped into a segment that Jeep once dominated, further challenging its market position. Strategic initiatives and price adjustments.
We have to find a way to sell BEVs at the price of ICEs. That's quite simple. To fix the affordability problem, we need to be finding a way to design to cost our products so that you sell BEVs at the price of ICEs.
In an effort to regain market share, Stellantis has implemented several strategic initiatives. Price reductions have been introduced for key models, including the Grand Cherokee, Gladiator, and Wagoneer. In an attempt to realign with consumer expectations and stimulate demand, the Grand Wagoneer, for instance, saw price cuts of up to $7,000, positioning it as a more competitive option in the luxury SUV segment. Electrification and innovation.
To make significant productivity and then find ways to break paradigms and to innovate in the way we are, of course, designing and manufacturing our vehicles. That's on our side.
Jeep is also looking to the future by expanding its electric vehicle, EV lineup. Key upcoming models include the all-electric Jeep Wagoneer S, designed to compete in the luxury EV market. The Ram 1500 REV, part of Stellantis' broader electrification strategy. In total, Stellantis plans to launch approximately 20 new products with a strong emphasis on EVs. However, the shift toward electrification comes with significant financial challenges, as the company must balance innovation with maintaining its rugged brand identity, quality concerns, and rebuilding trust.
We are absolutely focused on freedom of mobility. We believe that the mission of the car makers is to offer freedom of mobility, which is safe, clean, and affordable.
Despite these efforts, Stellantis must also address long-standing quality concerns that have undermined consumer confidence. Reports of plastic components in critical engine parts have led to early wear and tear, affecting Jeep's reliability reputation. To rebuild trust, Jeep must invest in higher quality materials to improve durability, strengthen its quality control processes to ensure future models meet customer expectations. Without these improvements, even competitive pricing may not be enough to sway skeptical buyers. Jeep's current struggles underscore the complexity of balancing heritage with innovation in a rapidly evolving automotive market. The brand's ambitious push into the luxury segment, coupled with leadership upheaval and mounting competition, has left Jeep at a crossroads. The upcoming leadership decisions and strategic adjustments will be crucial in determining whether Jeep can overcome these challenges and reclaim its position as an industry leader, or if it will continue to lose ground in the SUV market. What do you think will have the biggest impact on Jeep's future? Pricing, competition, or leadership? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. See you in the next video.